In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your retention rate, hold the attention of your viewers, thereby increasing your watch time hours and your subscribers at the end of the day. Because when you do that, your subscribers will start to trust your information. They will start to trust the fact that you are not there to waste their time, but to provide information from the get-go. You see what I did there? What I did was make the first 20 seconds of my video a video on its own. That way, I am holding you here for the first 30 seconds, which YouTube counts as a view. So when you're creating a video to hold the attention of your viewers, you want to make sure that the first 30 seconds of your video is enough to be a video on its own. You want to deliver on the promise that your thumbnail is giving. So if you say that your video is about teaching children how to walk, you're going to go ahead and say, in this video, I'm going to show you how to teach your child how to walk in 3 easy steps. Rather than telling us the importance of why children should learn how to walk, or how it will benefit the parents if the child starts to walk, or how the parents get sad when the child is not walking yet. Maybe you can say that at the end of the video, but at the beginning of your video, you want to make good your promise. This is what I've promised to give you, and this is what I'm providing you. Okay, rather than beating about the bush, because that way it will hold the attention of your viewers, right? Thereby increasing the retention rate. You need to understand that improving your retention rate helps YouTube understand that viewers like your videos, and thereby it will push it. Okay, so if you are going to tell me that you're teaching me how to make my marriage work, or you're going to teach me how to make my business work, okay, don't beat about the bush. Just go straight into the reason for the video. Okay, I see a lot of people say different things. This is why I'm teaching you this video. This is what this video is about. Welcome to my channel, yada yada yada. No, everybody has a short attention span these days. Okay, so go straight into the video and deliver directly on your promise. So you want to highlight the problems that your viewers are facing and thereby expand on it. And one way to highlight the problems your viewers are facing is by using you. For example, let's use the example of teaching children how to walk. Okay, so this is a video about teaching children how to walk, right? I'm going to show you how to create the hook for that. Are you a mom with a child of age that should be walking and is not walking yet? Are you a toddler mom that wants to know if your child has met their milestones? Are you a mom of toddlers that are not walking yet and you are concerned, you are worried about when your child should start walking or how your child should start walking? Well, today this video is for you, because I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps how your child should walk at the age of 12 months, how to encourage your child to walk at the right time, and how to understand if your child is late on their milestones. You see, if I am a mom and I'm going through those challenges, you have highlighted my challenges and you have told me exactly how you're going to solve the problems that I'm having. Okay, so this week, as you enter into this week, I want you to understand that one key ingredient to hold the attention of your viewers is to highlight their problems, right? And prefer the solution. Make the first 30 seconds of your video a video on its own, such that if you clip the first 30 seconds of your video and make it into a short, it will make sense. Okay, so the first 30 seconds of your video has to make sense. Don't welcome us to your channel. Don't do any of that. Just go straight to the point, hit the nail on the head, and keep it going. Now expand on that, right? And while you're expanding on that, make sure that you're still holding the retention as you expand on that. All right, as you go into this week, make that a point of duty. Create your videos using the hook method, using this hook method, all right, and see how that helps your videos. All right, guys, I hope you have an amazing week. See you in the next video.